Hello, my name's Matt from the Awesome Ukulele Academy, and this is a very quick video to show you how to read chord shapes, which is really pretty straightforward. Right, okay, this is a ukulele, and if you look at it carefully, you will see there are some strings, lines going down here, and there are some frets or lines going across. So basically we've got a grid, okay? You've used these before, you understand what they look like. So, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a cunning picture, a cunning plan of the end of the ukulele. I'm going to do it up here so you can see it, right? How's that looking? Yeah, that's about right, isn't it? Let's do this. Okay. So what we've got is now a picture of the end of the ukulele, and I'm going to show you that it is by holding up the ukulele next to it. Right, so what we've got is the ukulele. See this? Okay, let's bring this in so you can see it. Oh, that's better, isn't it? They're both about the same size now. So you've got this thing at the top, which is called the nut. That's where the strings go over. So that's kind of the end of the usable bit of the fingerboard. And that is detailed here with the two lines. And then we've got the strings, see, plucky strings, going down like this, okay? And then we've got these things, the frets. Those are the things that you press the strings down on to change the pitch of the note. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a chord. See, that sounds nice? That's a C chord. That's the first chord you're going to learn, pretty much anywhere, okay? And what happens is we draw a little circle there to represent the finger, and we draw a number next to it to tell you which finger to use. So let's do this. Okay, this is the chord, and let's hold it up next to it so you can see. Third finger, third fret. That is the C chord. Right, it's as simple as that. I'm going to draw one other chord though, so you can see that this isn't just a fluke. That this is something that works every time. Okay, so I'm going to use it using my magic finger. I'm going to get rid of that. Right? I'm going to draw that in there. I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to show you the next chord that you're going to learn. So, this is an A minor. Minor just means it sounds sad. Okay, so if there's an M after it, it means it goes, oh, that's sad. That's a sad chord, right? And this is a happy chord though. That's the first one we learned. We learned the C, and that's happy. But the A minor is very, very sad. Okay, so let's lift this up and show you this. Okay. So that's the one we're looking at. Let's bring it forward. You can see it's on the second fret of the string nearest your nose. Okay. And let's just check. See, that's the C, the one we learnt before. And that's the string nearest your toes. Big distinction. But if you hold them up, so you can see both the chord shape and the ukulele, you'll see that they work. There you go. That's how you read chord shapes. They're just little grids.